Okay, welcome to Creta Summer. This is July of 2024. We prepare the next season and this is the sound of Creta. We love it. It's hard to understand that it's a summer if you don't hear this sound continuously every day, all the day. It's a part of our life here. Anyway, this is a brand new SRT 800 by QJ Motor. It's surprising that we do our first review in this bike at 2023 and was almost the same bike, I mean same frame, same brakes, same suspensions and almost the same engine. And today we have already the third model since then. We have another model with a different engine than the first one. That means that we have much more horses than the first model. And now we have the newest model that we have the same horses with the model before, but we have more things on it, like a double stand, like the 3 cases on it. We got a different clock, better different program inside the clock, and different maps and different colors. So what about this bike? Let's start it. Okay, let's say that we don't know this bike, we don't have ever ridden it before, and we try to see what is existing on this motorcycle. First of all, we have 2 saddles that they are from good material and very comfortable. Also, we got a key position from here that open the saddles. We got a footrest for the back person with a rubber on it, and we got nice handles for the back person, and we got tooths for the rider and rubber. Also, in this bike we got the 3 suitcases, the top box and the side cases. It's a standard by QJ. We got single stand, we got a double stand, we got protection for our bike. It's a comfortable, as I told you before. Everything is in the right position. I have a light for the night back from the switches. I have a good view back. I have a windscreen that protects me a lot. I have a plug here and nice angles. Okay, let's see now with Georgia that you will laugh because everything is so hot today. It's 36 degrees of Celsius now that we are making this video down of the sun, and now Georgia will feel it. Okay, also in a case that is a winter time and not for now for sure, we got a button here that hitting the saddles. And also we got heated grips from here, a button, nothing to see on the clock. And now that we say clock, let's see now what is going on in this clock. Okay, you see that it's a little bit dark, my clock. Then I will start the engine. It's getting light, so RPM counter, clock, trip, temperature, outside temperature, fuel, temperature and of the engine, and the most important and different than the other model, if I'm going to enter and I will go down to the mobile Bluetooth, I connect my telephone with a clock so I can see everything that is existing inside my telephone, and then I can go to the information, yes, and then I can see through this system inside what I see in my screen of mobile, also in the screen of the clock. So the clock is the same, but the functions are different. So that's it. Now that I will close the engine, you will see that is going to lower the light on it. And now I'm closing it. Georgia, tell us now.
No.
How are you feel?
I have, this is like a pan, it's very hot, but okay. This is a very nice seat. Not very soft, but it has a nice position. The handles are very good, and the feet are very good here.
You know, this is a long distance motorcycle, so you must be feel comfortable on it for 500 and 1,000 kilometers at least.
Well, so and so.
Okay, so that's it. What we got here? For sure, this is a powerful engine, and for sure it's much more powerful than the first model. If I remember well, the first model was at around 78 horses. Now we got much more power. It's a twin inline engine with double overhead camshaft, 4 valves per cylinder, liquid cooled at 799 cubics. It's got 6-speed gearbox and produce 92.5 horses at 9,000 RPM and 77 Nm at 8,000 RPM. It's got the consumption officially of 4.7 liters per 100 kilometers and is 263 kilos ready to go. It's noisy. The only negative in this engine is that it's very noisy. It's powerful, it's got nice gearbox, but it's noisy. That's all. Okay, I feel comfortable. I'm well protected, I have a good view back, and the sound of the engine is good. The gearbox, it's nice, and let's move now. We will change some directions. We do it that very easy. It's cornering nice and the brakes are okay. With the performance now, we don't have so many Nm, we don't have enough Nm, but we have many horses, so this bike is fast and I consider it okay for this bike. Anyway, this is an easy engine. Okay, what we got here? Windscreen, typical, nice lights, daylights. I see here that we got a hole for a camera. Okay, it's nice and protected, the radiator back of here. Also we got cover here, and we got a big fat Marzocchi fork, very nice. We got 4 piston caliber brakes from each side by Brembo. We got pocket wheels, that is tubeless, and we got also Metzeler tires, and back we got a double piston Brembo brake, of course ABS. Lovely, one word, lovely. Quality, one thing it's for sure, every day, not every year, every day the Chinese motorcycles are getting better than the last day. So what is going on here? This is metal, and those plastics fits, I can say, nicely. Okay, those aluminum and aluminum parts are good enough. The paint is nice, it's yellow with pearl on it. This is matte. This is inox, the exhaust. We got good quality ties by Metzeler, and everything on this bike looks good. This is a nice bike with a nice quality details. For example, the cover that is existing here, the plastic on the gearbox, and I can say that I like it a lot. In this bike it's not possible to disconnect the ABS, but because you got these dirt tires and the dirty wheels and you got a good protection around it, you can pass from the dirt paths easily. big dirt paths, not something specially. Don't think that you will explode the world with this bike. What we have here, we have an interesting bike. We have one leading company brand from China, Hujie Motor, that it's already owner, for example, of Benelli, Kiwi and etc. And it's good looking, well equipped, with Metzeler tires, with tubeless sprocket wheels, with so many things, protection, cases, heated grips and etc. With an engine that is noisily but powerful enough, with Marzocchi suspensions and Brembo brakes, that is cornering nice, braking nice, you feel safe and you can move inside and outside, very outside of the city. So I'm very positive in this motorcycle. Georgia, please come. Tell us your lovely opinion.
Oh,
You look very...
muscular.
You are even more powerful than
I
me
did the
today.
biceps today.
Ah, yeah, baby.
Well.
So what is your opinion?
I liked it. I liked the look. I liked the sprocket wheels very much. I liked the position of riding, and I don't like so much the noise from the engine, but it's light. It has enough power for me.
It's not light, you feel it light.
Yes, you feel it light, exactly. You feel it light, and I can put my legs down very safe, and I feel very safe, and I like the ABS also, it's helping very much.
So, we are ready for philosophy, Georgia.
Oh.
Είναι το φως του ήλιου που έπεται μέσα από την ανθρώπινη δίωδο ενός ανεξερεύνητου γίγνεσθε, το οποίο περνάει εκ του κυλινδροπιστονίου και βγαίνει εκ της γωνίας Κάστερ πάνω και ως εκ τούτου απλώνει στην απεραντοσύνη ενός δύσβατου σύμπαντος της κινέζικης μοτοσικλέτας. Περνάει και ένα αεροπλάνο από πάνω. Γιατί η μηχανουργία είναι στο ζενήθ της. Αεροπλάνο, μηχανάκι, κάμερα, χαμός γίνεται. Το πιάσες.
Το πιάσα.
Εντάξει. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia and Ioannis for Κόκκινα Φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Real life reviews we do. With philosophy also. Ναι, what?
Πήγε να μου βγάλει το μάτι αυτό που βγαίνει.
Το μάτι, Ναι. Θα το σκίσω εγώ αυτό.
Όχι.
So, thanks for watching us.
Thank you.
Ναι, δεν έχετε τίποτα άλλο να κάνετε και μας βλέπετε.